Well, one unique feature here in Sweet Lips Resort is that if you are an outdoorsman that likes to do diving or person that does not have any experience in diving, well, this place is just for you. In the amount of $400 or 20,000 pesos, you can get certified for 5 days course, and this resort is PADI certified, meaning it is recognized internationally. They have dedicated dive masters, instructors, and equipment if you do not have any of those gears. But if you like to do some diving, this place is just a step away. And they have marked different dive sites here since this is their hometown. It's a lot to offer. So if you guys like to do some outdoorsmanships like diving, regardless of your level, they have a lot to offer in this place. Kuya Buds is one of the dive masters here. I'm asking him, if you're a beginner, what the resort has to offer. Kuya, ano yung magandang ma-offer natin sa mga beginners natin, ng mga divers dito sa Sweet Lips para kung gusto nilang matutong mag-diving?
Actually, dito sa Sweet Lips, yun ang advantage natin, especially doon sa mga discovery scuba o yung beginner natin. Ang advantage natin, malapit tayo sa dagat, malinaw yung tubig, may island tayo, may corals. So yung transportation, napaka-easy natin. Ano? So yun ang pinaka-advantage natin sa mga beginner. And second, pag sa mga especially sa bata at sa babae na hindi talaga pa marunong lumangoy, so doon natin dinadala for first time na mag-briefing tayo para maituro yung discovery scuba diving. Meron tayong sariling pool. So yun ang advantage natin. Dito sa atin, marami tayong dive site within the island, mga 4 times mong madadive yan. Tapos dito sa atin yung unahan, tinatawag natin beach entry. Hindi mo na kailangan sumakay ng bangka o speedboat o rubber boat. Meron na tayong dive site. So mula naman dito sa ating area, so makukuha natin ang another na dive site na within the marine protected area.
Nice.
Na from here is 5 kilometers lang.
Very nice. This is a place that is certified, Kuya. And if you explain what is PADI that is internationally recognized, ito po ay kung mga turistang pumunta dito at mag-scuba dive, matuto, ito po ay pwede dalhin sa ibang bansa.
Yes, opo. Ang PADI kasi yung Professional Instructor Diving Association.
I see.
Yun.
So, Kuya, bago po tayo tapusin yung mabilis nating interview, magkano po yung ating package dito para sa kaalaman ng mga beginners na kung gusto man nila mag-dive dito sa ating resort?
Actually dito sa amin, ino-offer namin yung certified diver ng open water is 20,000. Pero may package po kami dyan ng 25,000. Amin na yung accommodation, amin na yung pagkain. So, mas mura po yan.
There you go, guys. If you guys want to check this place out, it's a hidden gem. Before it blows up here, check out Marinduque's Sweet Lips. It's an amazing spot. It's a hidden gem. Don't miss out. Kuya, maraming salamat
Thank you,
po.
sir. Thank you.